Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create or make your business card on your Wix website. Now this is of course very useful, especially if you want to add it to your e-commerce or you want your customers to visit you at your local shop or contact you. I'm going to show you two ways how to do that. Now first of all, you have to go to your left-handed menu right here and click on these four squares that says add apps. Now from the add apps, you can go and click on online business card and look for the application that's called online business card. I already have that app installed, so I'm just going to go click on manage apps and show you the app. Now here is online business card. I'm just going to click and add again and show you how you can add it. Now the thing with this app is that it's not very customizable. It does not really look that fancy or nice, so it's like a very basic one. I'm just gonna add it to this column, and all you have to do is click on settings and then change the business details. So for example here you have business details, visual settings, so you can change the background color, for example here. Make it blue. You can change the text color. You can make it, I don't know, a purple. You can change the text fonts, the borders, add advanced settings, for example, show map, email, phone number, etc. And this is where you add your business details. So here all you have to do is click on online business details and then fill your details. For example, here business name, the business phone, business email, website, category. So what does your business do? For example, in my case it's a cosmetics store, so all you have to do is click on cosmetics store or industry. You can choose the country, the address. If it's an online one, you don't have to add an address and some additional details. Now as I've said that this does not really look that nice, you can add also a logo and some images, but I'm going to show you the second way to do that. Now the second way to add a business card is to create one on Elfsight, which is a widget widget creator. Now the thing with Elfsight is that they offer free, let's say free widgets that you have to copy the embed code and then paste it. So here all you have to do is click on Elfsight, sign up, and then you can easily create your a business card. So for the business card, all you have to do is look for business hours, and then you can customize that however you want it to be. So I've already made my business hours, but I want to change it and edit it just to show you how it works. Now this is my business card. As you can see, I have my business name. So for example, here for the content, you have to have the business details. So here you have the business name. So I've already typed mine. So here you have your CarePal. You can add some contact like the phone number, the email, the website, the address. You can show labels, for example, phone, address, or you can just show the icons. You can also add CTA buttons. So here, for example, chat on WhatsApp or order now. You can add many buttons like message, share, directions, book in case you have, for example, a hair salon or something. And then you already have the business hours here. So here, for example, mine is closed. It says closed because I've already given it my business hours. So you only have to fill your business hours. After you do that, you can change the layout. So here in the layout, you can choose what type of business hour styles that you want. You can choose the width, the alignment, if it's in the middle, if it's on the left, on the right. You can change the style right here. Here on the side, you can choose what color is the background. You can choose the accent color. So here for the order now, the text color. So for example, here it's in blue. You can make it in green, whatever you want it to be. The icons color. So here the icons, you can change them. You can add more colors. For example, for the open status, in case you have a physical store, you can change the font, the text size, the style, etc. and stuff like that. And then once you do that, all you have to do, once you create your business card, all you have to do is click on publish. Once you click on publish, just click on close, and then you have install. So in order to install your website, all you have to do is copy this embed code. This is how the embed code looks like. It does not look like a URL code or a URL link. So all you have to do is click on copy code and then go back to your website and then click on add elements. On the add element, scroll down until you find embed code. from the embed code, just copy your embed code here as an embed HTML and then paste it and click on update. Now once you do that, here is your business card. You can make it as big as you want it to be, and here is your business card. As you can see, it's still going to show down, and that's basically how you make one. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.